Hello, hello, hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican, continuing the sweet potato harvest. I'm harvesting from 2 tires today. I planted about 3 slips each of Japanese and maybe some stalks in here. Can't remember what I planted in here, but want to see if I have any food in these 2 tires. And these are single tires. I planted them in mid-May. And it seems we have some potatoes here. Look, here they are. Yeah, coming out of the ground. So let's see what we have. I had planted some beans in here too. Some blue leaf beans. Didn't do too well, as they usually do. But that's okay. Okay. This is the first tire. Seems we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So here we have something over here. A big one. Whew. It's a Stokes purple sweet potato. Yeah, look at it. This is a big potato. Huge. See what else we have. If we have anything else. Yep, we have something. Let's come a little closer. If you can see. It's really hard to see down in this tire. Nonetheless, I'll show you what I got from this hole here. So here it is. This is the next one. Not a bad size. That's a good size. I could have plant some cardamom in here too. Nothing much. Dirt is dry. Okay. And we have another stalks right here. This is a seed potato. soil is very dry. I don't think I did much watering in here today. Okay, let's see this root. I think this is the final root. So far, 2 roots gave us something. Yeah, this one scratched. Not bad. Little nipping took place here. Probably a grub. But this is a lovely size. Nice. So far I'm pleased that though I got a few big ones, I didn't want them very big. But so far, it's not bad at all. Another one. This is Japanese though. This is not Stokes. These 2 are Japanese and strange. This one is busted. I've never seen that in the Japanese before. Maybe because the taro, it's dry, the soil is dry. I'm not sure. Japanese, love it. I have one in the corner here. A decent sized one, another Japanese. No, this is lovely. A little scratch, but that can cure, no big deal. This is a lovely, this is what I'd like to get on all my potatoes. This is what I'd like to see from all the vines I've planted. This is lovely. A little white potato. Interesting. I think I'm going to plant it back later on. Why not? Well, folk, I think that this is it. Hold on, I'm seeing a root here. Nothing came from that Vardaman. I think that's it for this tire. So for this tire, this is the harvest. This Japanese. We have 3 Japanese, 2 good sizes and a little one, and 4 the what you call it, Stokes. We have a huge jumbo jet and 2 little ones. Interesting. And 2 mid-sized ones. Interesting. We have 3. So from 4 plants, vines, we got 6 potatoes. That's good. So we got 3 Stokes and 3 Japanese. That's very good. I think somebody will love that one. It's big, man. Some nice sweet potato pies. I think that's it. All right, we're going to go on to the next tire.